Kenenti Mexica tinugnitzin, matixalucan masewalcopa. If you don't know where your language comes from, how do you know who you really are? We learn global languages, but we lose our original ones. And when a language disappears, an entire way of thinking disappears with it. Nahuatl is not just an old language, it's a whole way of understanding nature, time, community, and identity. Learning Nahuatl helps you reconnect with history, strengthen your cultural identity, and develop a different way of seeing the world. This course is designed specially for beginners. You don't need prior knowledge. We guide you step by step in English with clear explanations, real contexts, and practical learning. Hi, my name is Sol Guzmán, and I'll be your Nahuatl instructor on this journey into this beautiful, ancient, and profound original language.